will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Google Play Games app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. We just click here on settings here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you a list like this here. You go down, just keep going down here, click here on apps. So you come to apps list here, and there you're looking for Google Play Games app, or just click on search. Then here add Play Games app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just uh, go to your Play Store, you go to your Play Store, click on it here, you search here for Google Play Games, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking